Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I am here to take your math class. As you all know, in math subchapter number 11 is going on. Yes, now? And what is the name of the chapter is? Yes, the name of the chapter is patterns. And in our previous class, we have learned about increasing pattern. And I hope you all have seen the video. Yes, in that video I have explained you about increasing pattern. In today's class we are going to discuss about decreasing pattern. Decreasing pattern. And what is the decreasing pattern? Look at here on the board. You can see some numbers are written on the board. Yes, now? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. And what do you observe? Yes. Here the number is written in decreasing order. In decreasing order. And how to do the decreasing pattern? Whenever we do the decreasing pattern, we have to follow backward counting and we have to do the subtraction. As we have done addition in our increasing pattern now, in decreasing pattern we have to do subtraction. You can see here after 10 what I have written? 9. It means I have subtract here 1. It means I have done subtraction of 1. Then I will get the number is 9. Okay. Then I get the number 9. Okay. After this I written 8. After subtracting 1 from 9, you can get the number 8. And when you subtract 1 from 8, you can get 7. When you subtract 1 from 7, you will get 6. And when you subtract 1 from 6, you will get 5. When you subtract 1 from 7, you will get 6. And when you subtract 1 from 6, you will get 5. And you subtract 1 from 5, you will get 4. And when you will subtract 1 from 4, you will get 3. And when you will subtract 1 from 3, you will get 2. And when you subtract 1 from 2, you will get number 1. It means here we are following the backward counting. Backward counting. And in decreasing order, we have to do the subtraction as the pattern is given. Here, I am following the rule of subtracting 1 every time. You can observe here what I have done. I have subtract the number 1 every time. And then I get the decreasing pattern. Every time we have to observe how many steps we have to take backward. It means we have to always observe how many steps we have to take backward. Then you can come to know which pattern we are following here and which pattern we have to follow in the pattern. Now move on the another one. Now look at here what I have written. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. And here what I have done, because we are doing here decreasing pattern now. Yes. What I have done here, I have subtract 2 number every time. And what is the result? Look at here. When we subtract 10, then we subtract 2 from 10, we get 8. And when we subtract 2 from 8, we get, what we will get? 6. And when we subtract 2 from 6, the number is 4. And when we subtract 2 from 4, then you can get which number you can get? Yes, you will get 2. And when you subtract 2 from 2, the number is 0. It means every time we are taking backward jump. Every time when we have to do the decreasing pattern, don't forget we have to take backward jump. Now move on the book exercise. Okay. Now look at here. Here what we have to do, in the same way, when you jump 5 numbers backward, you get the following pattern. Here you subtract 5 every time. In this sequence, what we have to do, we have to subtract 5 every time. Now look at here. 25 minus 5, 20. And when we subtract 5 from 20, we will get 15. When we subtract 5 from 15, we will get 10. And when we subtract from 10, we will get 5. When we subtract 5 from 5, we will get 0. This is the sequence of backward pattern or decreasing pattern. Okay. Now move on this. Jump 10 numbers backward and complete the following pattern. Here we have to do the exercise is given. 90. Here we have to take 10 backward jumps. How many backward jumps? 10. Now look at here. When we subtract 10 from 19, we will get 80. And when we subtract 10 from 80, we will get 70. And when we subtract 10 from 70, we will get 60. And when we subtract 10 from 60, we will get 50. And when we subtract 10 from 50, we will get 40. And when we subtract 10 from 40, it will be 30. This is the backward numbers pattern or decreasing pattern. Every time you have to take backward jumps. Okay. Now making your concept clear, I am going to do an activity on the board. Yes. Now look at this. You can see some numbers on the board. Yes. Now we have to arrange these numbers in decreasing pattern. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to place the bigger number on the first place. We have to arrange the bigger number of the sequence on the first place. And what is the bigger number on this? Can you find the bigger number in these numbers? From these numbers? Yes. It is 60. First I have to paste 60 here. And when we take backward jumps, how many backward jumps I have to take? I have to take 10 backward jumps. It means I have to subtract 10. I have to subtract 10 from 60. And when I subtract 10 from 60, which number we will get? Yes, the number will be 50. The number will be 50. And when we subtract 10 from 50, which number we can get? Yes, we will get 40. We will get 40. We will get 40. And after this, when we subtract 10 from 40, we will get 30. We will get 30. And when we subtract 10 from 30, we will get, which number we can get? Yes, the number is 20. And when we subtract 10 from 20, we will get the number 10. And you can observe here we follow the rule of backward pattern. And here we have done the subtraction of 10 every time. Hope you all understood the concept of decreasing pattern. Do the revision of this topic at home. Stay safe, stay happy.